Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum, Rubai. How have you been?
Alhamdulillah, I am over the moon. What about you?
Yes, I am also fantastic.
Well, so did you think any vacation for after Eid?
Yes, we have more vacation in 4 or 5 days. What do you do of this vacation?
Which place are you looking for?
Yeah, I like some places like Coxbazar, Kuakata, these kinds of places.
I think Cox's Bazar will be better suitable for us. So we have to go Cox's Bazar.
we have to take some preparation for this vacation, for this travel, and we need to first of all we need to take information for these traveling places, how much cost we need, these kinds of anything, what we need and which kinds of places we visit here. So what do you think?
Yes, first of all, we have to take a little preparation. And I think we have to make a reservation.
Yes,
So how many days you want to stay there?
I think 2 or 3 days because our vacation is 5 days, so 2 or 3 days perfect.
Well, 3 days will be perfect.
Yes, I think.
So what do you think? How many cost we have to carry?
We are a student, that's why we need to some little bit cost to here because we are student, we don't have enough money. So that's
Yes.
why we need to take preparation for this types of, and we need to plan this time. So what all place you like to visit here?
Well, I have to I think something.
Yeah.
We have to visit Kolatoli Beach and we have to take a drive in Marine Drive.
Yes.
Yes, which is very popular in Cox's Bazar.
Yes.
And we can go Teknaf.
Yes, Teknaf is more beautiful. There is so boat is here. It's a fishing boat. This view is so good when it's sunset view. Okay.
So after going that, what kind of dishes you have to try?
There is a lot of dishes is here. Which kinds of dishes you like that?
I think I want to be try fried fish.
Yeah.
And some smash with rice, and it will be very interesting for us.
This is reasonable price for us.
Yes.
Okay.
So what do you think?
Yeah, I also think these types of food because it's our traditional food also. That's why I like this.
So after 3 days later, we will be back our hometown.
Okay.
So how we came back our hometown?
After 3 days. After 3 days is good. We have enough time to visit this place. Okay.
Then we have to take any ticket.
Yeah, we take 2 tickets for us.
Okay.
And I think after each day we bench the tickets.
Okay, that's confirmed.
Okay. Thank you, brother. Good to
See you again.
Okay. Nice to
Thank
meet
you
you
for-
here. Thank
Nice
you.
to meet you. Assalamu alaikum.